This is how I keep my tattoo clients coming back without any fancy marketing. What if I told you the real secrets to getting tattoo clients coming back again and again has nothing to do with Instagram ads or expensive marketing? It's actually something you can do right at the payment counter. No ad budget needed. Hi, I'm Sandy, founder of Insane Tattoo Studios and Tattugenda. After 15 years in the tattoo industry and helping launch franchise locations, I've learned that client loyalty isn't about flashy promos. Today, I'm giving you my most effective zero-budget strategies for keeping clients coming back, especially if you work with guest artists. Stick around because this one's a game changer for studios who want to build real relationships and a packed schedule. So, here's where the magic begins. Right after the client finishes their session and comes up to pay. They're happy, their adrenaline is high, and if their tattoo isn't finished or could be expanded, this is your golden opportunity. I simply ask, would you like to be on the waiting list for this artist's next guest spot? You will be the first to know when they're back. Most clients say yes, they're already invested and they want more. But here's where most studios mess this up. They don't have a system. Our system is called Tattugenda, and here is how we actually do it. In Tattugenda, we use two lists. First one is the waiting list. We add clients manually when they ask. And second one is the customer list. This one fills automatically with every customer who's ever booked with us and with this artist. When we get new dates for a guest artist, we don't blast it online right away. We email the waiting list first. These are our VIPs. A few days later, we email the customer lists. And only after that, we announce the dates publicly. This creates urgency, it makes the clients feel special, and it fills up slots before the general public even knows. But there's even a better way to do this. Here's what really changed the game for us. Always having future guest spot dates ready. Imagine this. Your client just finished their session. They're paying, and instead of saying, we will let you know when the artist is back, or should we put you on the waiting list, like I just explained, you could say, hey, we already have the next dates. Do you want to book your next session right now? No waiting, no uncertainty, just instant rebooking. If you don't have those dates on hand, you are missing out on a ton of repeat business. Now, this one took us forever to figure out, and here's why. Getting guest artists to plan ahead is not easy. It took us a long time to train them to always give us their next dates before they even arrive for the current guest spot. But once they saw how much repeating business it brought, they were on board. If you can always offer your clients a concrete next date, your rebooking rate will skyrocket. Clients love certainty, and your artists will love a packed schedule. So, no fancy marketing, just smart timing and a simple system. Ask at the right moment, always have future dates ready, make your clients feel like real VIPs. If you want to set this up for your studio, check out Tattugenda. It's built exactly for this. You can book a free demo with me through the link in our description. Also, I want to know, what's your biggest tip concerning client retention? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this useful, hit subscribe for more real-world tattoo business tips every week. Let's keep your studio busy. See you in the next one.